Hello, Colorado.
A civil authority has issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties/areas. Gunnison, Hinsdale, Cook at 5:55 p.m. on November 12, 2020, effective until 10:55 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAB.
WDFA/CAB.
Widespread phone, internet, and 911 communications outage in Gunshin and Hinsdale counties. At this time, 911 calls are unlikely to reach the communications center. If you have an emergency, please go to the closest police or fire station. There are government vehicles roving the state highways, county roads, and city streets looking for emergency situations as well. CenturyLink has found a hotline between Montrose and Gunnison counties. No estimated time for repair. Stay tuned to your local radio stations for updates throughout the day. We encourage you to check on your neighbors, friends, and family, and to share this message.